So today we're making a foaming body wash for the shower. My family's been using this for a couple years. We absolutely love it. I like to add all my ingredients to the 2 cup because it makes it a lot faster and easier. I'm starting here with a 1/3 cup of cast style soap. I use non-scented, and then 1/3 cup of honey. My husband absolutely loves the honey in there, and honey is great for your skin. And then we're putting 1/3 cup of fractionated coconut oil. So it's liquid coconut oil. And usually I go just under the line of 1/3 for that. Then putting in vegetable glycerin, I'm adding in 1/2 tablespoon. If it's a drier time of year, I tend to add a tablespoon in instead of just 1/2. Then I am using frankincense today. We use different types of oils, but today I'm using frankincense. My toddler uses this, so that is for sensitive skin. You can use frankincense. I'm adding about 10 drops, then mixing it really well all together. Then adding a little bit of water. Mixing it up. Making sure it's well blended. Then getting the foaming container and starting to add it to that. And then as you're adding it to that, you continue to pour the water into the original container that you were making it so that you can get all of the product out of that container. So see here, I'm filling it up, and then I'm going to add more water to that container. Swish it around to make sure all the product is out of there. I'm not missing any. And then I'll just continue to add water until the container is all filled. Then when you are done, you can put it in your shower. I like to just give a little swish back and forth before using it just to make sure it's well blended. But yeah, it'll last up to 2 weeks in your shower. I mean, it does not last that long for our family. We use all different scents. We've used lemon, citrus, lavender, but I really like the frankincense for my toddler. So today I'm making that for her. Hope you enjoy.